State Information Technology Agency of South Africa took a position to deliver a cloud platform solution for the South African government. Citizens that play critical roles in the technology space have been very vocal about an integrated technological infrastructure for the country. Moreover, it is to the benefit of average citizens that something is finally being done within the country to have integrated systems within the government. To deliver such a solution, CETA needed a partner that not only has experience in tech, but rather in cloud technologies. And lucky for the South African government, it already had a giant within the country that has been playing in the cloud space. So CETA couldn't look much further than to partner with Gijima, a giant in the tech space within the South African borders, and has a global footprint as well. So with Gijima being aforementioned preferable partner that CETA has chosen, it got the opportunity to deliver the first cloud platform for the South African government. And obviously, this initiative has started in 2018, so it is an undergoing project, and it has been formed on the basis of a 10-year partnership that aims to only have cloud services for the South African government, but also seeks to deliver an integrated approach amongst the different government departments, sharing data points, migrating legacy monoliths to microservices architecture, as well as cloud-centric applications or software solutions, big data to big query algorithms, and the like. So all of these would actually need to be taken into account for the gigantic responsibilities that now sits with Gijima. And of course, not all of these will be done by Gijima, as different software solutions would have dedicated teams to jump on the bandwagon to migrate legacy systems to current and latest technologies, so as to fit to the capabilities spectrum of where South African government is moving towards. So, furthermore, some of the already existing relationships and partnerships established in this project include IBM, Vodacom, Huawei, to mention but a few. So do know that some of these are OEMs, which speaks directly to the infrastructure of data centers that would need to be in place for a project of this magnitude. It is critical to mention in cloud technologies, infrastructure is just one unit in the big scheme of things. So what you need to consider is you have network reliability issues, you have service availability issues, you have scalability, you have autonomous diagnostic capabilities, as well as autonomous systems that you have to take into account. But crucially to all these is security concerns, data privacy, and access. So this is taking into a high level view of what needs to be covered within this type of project. So the amount of efforts that Gijima will have to put in on heading this project or a project of this magnitude would be highly magnificent. It would be huge looking at the size of this project. So I can't wait to see the go live of this solution. I already have countdown timer waiting on this 10-year plan that our state information technology already has in place for the citizen. So the trust on this deliverable should not be shaken, as IBM and Huawei are not new in the cloud services space, with IBM having a bit more experience than Huawei having the manufacturing benefit of resources in China. So therefore, there shouldn't be a shadow of doubt that Gijima has established a very firm relationship globally, having these two giants backing them, and also with the experience that it has had with its projects and its own cloud environments and platforms as well. So with the trust that has been given to Gijima, IBM, Huawei, with the likes of Vodacom being part of the partnerships in sort of a project, you would expect that in 10 years' time, South African government will be running in the cloud, and with a lot of the software solutions being delivered via the microservices architecture, and with a futuristic view of how we can move in the technological space and not be left behind with other global states and government, and can be globally competitive as a country. So this is where I will close it, guys. It was just a short brief as to how South Africa is planning to deliver a cloud environment for its government and to finally integrate departments and share data across and within government. So that's it. Thank you very much. Cheers.